Hello, I'm Karen Smith, Managing Director and owner of Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. We install lots of outdoor lighting and in particular wall lights. Some lights we supply and other lights our customers supply and we install them. Take a look now at this short video to give you some inspiration and show you what we can do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video channel to learn more updates as the weeks progress.